Hello guys, this is Hunter Knight. Welcome to another transformations video. You guys requested me via Facebook, my page, via messaging that you needed a transformation for the Voyager Class Optimus Prime. First off, we have to go into his accessories. It comes with the Vector Shield and the Sword Judgment. The Vector Shield can go in this port or his hand, doesn't matter. Port's in there. Yeah. The Sword Judgment can be holstered here. As you can see, he has a holster in the back. Yeah, there you go. He can also hold it on his hand. There we go. Now let's transform him into his truck mode. As usual, we begin in the way it comes from the freaking box. Now what you have to do is, first of all, the pecs. Flip the pecs down, otherwise the arms will not move. Flip the pecs down, then what you're gonna do is open this part of the chest, bring it forward, and like this. Flip his head down, untap the shoulders, untap these things, and move them like that. We're gonna just leave it like it is right now. We're just not gonna touch it. We're just gonna leave it like this. Now, this part, untap the cap, the top of the cap goes flips it. Let's just leave these things as they are for the moment. His crotch plate, bring it up. Now we're gonna work on the legs. You see the parts of the truck are here, so just untap them on both sides. Untap them, get them out of the way. Flip them forward and get them out of the way. Now you have the feet also, as we untap both. Flip them and get them out of the way. So we have to work on this little parts here. Now turn the legs facing each other like this. I'm telling you, you have to get this out of the way. Doesn't matter right now how it is, just get it out of the way. And these sections here, you have to flip them. Yeah, flip them up. Yay. And you see the tabs, they have to all tap in securely. Oops, hey, make a mess. I'm making a mess. Come on, Prime, work with it. Yeah, you will. There you go. This is now one solid attachment. And that's part of the back of the cab of the truck, the bed of the truck. Okay, now look at this mess. Holy crap. Now, bring all this whole section, bring it like that, and turn it. Well, actually, you can turn it this way. Yeah, it's much easier. There you go. It's a mess. Look at that. It looks like it crashed. Jeez. Now, on the feet, let's just do this. Flip the feet like this. Same on the other side. And now you'll notice that there are some tabs here. You see this tab goes in this hole here. It's a bit tricky, but you can do it. With something finagling, you can do it. There you go. It tapped in. Same with the other one. Flip it and tap it in. There you go. Now what you do is just bring them here underneath. Same with this. Now you'll notice also that there is a tab and a hole, and you have to press them and tap them together. You see it tapped in. Same with the other side. There you go. Ah, nice click. You see they're tapped in. Now look at the still messy. On the truck we're gonna okay, truck, we're gonna flip this panel, tap it in, and the same with the other one. Flip it forward, don't flip it backwards because you're gonna hit this and it's gonna make your life miserable. And now flip it and collapse it. There we go. Flip it and collapse it. There you go. It should be all lined up there. Let's just not tap this for the moment, because we have to work on the arms. The arms are a mess. Now, you see this panels here? Okay, you need to... This thing is tricky because sometimes they pop completely out of the wrist. Why do I get this? Yeah, there we go. You see? It pops out. But anyway, just pop it back. I'm sure it happens to everyone. There, you see? Bring these things forward. Same with the other side. Let's just hope it doesn't. Ah, there you go. Untap. And bring it forward. Like that. Beautiful. Now we're almost there. Now, this part of the arm you have to move your way to do this and flip this up. Like that. Same with the, it's just a matter of finding your way. You see how the articulation and everything go? Just go like that. And bam. Now what you do is, let's just assemble the front of the truck. This part's tapping here. This other part taps in here. And this whole section taps completely here. Now it's much more familiar, huh? Alright. Now you bring this and unfold it like this. Now there is a tab here and there is a groove or some slot here, so yeah, just work your way in like that. Same with the other side. Just work your way in, man. Come on, Prime. Come on, Prime. There you go. Beautiful. And of course, what do you think you're gonna have to do with that? Of course, tap it down. Tap it in, tap it in, and there you go. Prime on his truck mode. Yeah, fantastic. Now the weapons. The weapons can be stored underneath here. The sword of judgment goes underneath, and the vector shield goes here. Perfect. You can have those in there or anyway. I mean, yeah, it's your preference. There you go. Nice. Now, let's take him back to robot mode. Now to turn him back on his robot mode, first you have to do is pop the cap off. There you go. Flip these parts out and collapse them. Wait, just go like that. Collapse them here. Oh, first off, remove the weapons. Yeah, remove the freaking weapons. Why not? Now put them back. Like that. And just leave it there. Sorry, get this out of the way. Untap all this section here. Like we did. Then untap the arm. Well, what will become his arm. This you have to flip it back. Like that. Flip it back. Like that. There we go. And underneath, what you do is like this. I keep hitting my lamp. Alright. And now we're gonna untap these sections here. Untap, untap. And yeah. Move them like that. Then what we do is we untap this section and flip it there. I have the feet down. Now we do the same with this one. Untap, flip, and turn. It is a mess right now. Now going to the bed of the cap. We just split this out. And now the and this we're gonna have to. Now the truck is like this. We're gonna have to make it stand. Flip the crutch plate like that. Now his legs are a mess. So what we do is turn them like this, turn them like this, and these panels turn them inside. Now look at this freaking mess. Turn the feet and make sure you tap them with this hole here and this tab here, and boom, there you go. Now this section is a mess. Flip it like that, swivel it up, turn it, and make sure there's a tab. There's a tab here. You see, and it taps in place. Perfect. And we do the same for the other leg. Okay. Turn the feet. There is a tab in there. Tap them in place. Flip this up. Now this part is very flimsy, so be very careful how you move it, because I've seen some cases where they broke this. You see what I did? Yeah, there we go. And you tap this thing here, just as we did on the other. And there you go, Prime's feet. Now this mess. Turn it like this. Flip it back. And okay, what do we do here? Okay. Fail. Okay. Flip this back. Flip this back on the other arm. Now move this around like this. Position the arms. You see this hinges. Now the official way is to put this and tap them here. Okay. I really don't like this look, so what I do is I just untap them and leave them like this, because that's more movie accurate. Flip Prime's head back and flip his chest and make sure you tap it in place. Perfect. Now on the back, well, this collapses here, collapses there. This is a very funny part. Just leave this clearance here, more or less, and when you flip the cap, it's gonna align and tap perfectly by itself, almost. If you struggle, you're not gonna tap them properly. And there you go. Like nothing, they tap itself. Flip this out. Make sure everything is properly tapped in, and finally move Prime's pecs up. Prime peg up. And Prime back up. And there you go, that's Prime on his robot form. I think it's the best movie figure, the best Prime, figure that I have done. I like it. Not even the Age of Extinction Voyager Class was that one was horrible. And the Leader Class for this one is just the same crap, but this one is actually much more movie accurate. Okay, so there you go. If you want to get more Transformers The Last Night, Age of Extinction, Masterpieces, Titans Return, everything, make sure to check out Big Bad Toy Store. They made this video possible, guys. Yeah, they ship everywhere. So that's it for this Transformations video. Thank you for watching. This is Under Night, signing out.
Impressive.